Pumpkin. Are you eating eggs a fancy new way? Yeah, for breakfast? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Can you show us how you eat eggs with your spoon? You're switching back to your hand now. There you go. You were putting eggs on a spoon, weren't you? Yeah. Can you try using your spoon again? No. Just gonna bypass that. Does like the eggs run. Uh-oh. Did it fall down? Uh-oh. There you go. Good work. All right. All right. Good job. Good job, Gracie. Yay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.